Okay, so good morning once again, everyone. Today in SST lecture, we will continue with our chapter number 4th of geography, the composition and structure of atmosphere. So in previous lecture, we discussed about the atmosphere, the composition of air, and the layers of the atmosphere. Today we are going to take next topic of the same chapter. So the first topic is weather and climate. So these two terms are often used simultaneously. Okay, we use them for one and another, but these two terms are totally different from each other. Okay, there is a considerable difference between these two terms. Weather refers to the conditions of the air around us in a small area which is subject to change in short periods of time. Okay, so what is weather? Weather refers to the current situation of the current condition of the atmosphere over a small area in a particular time. Weather is not the same all over the world but is only confined to small regions. Climate, on the other hand, refers to weather conditions prevailing over a long period of time. Unlike weather, climate does not change over a short period of time. In case there are some changes, they occur over a long period of time. Okay, so what we got from this, what we learned from this first paragraph, that weather and climate are two different terms. Weather are the conditions, prevailing conditions of atmosphere over a short period of time, over a short area, while climate is the average of weather conditions over a long period of time over a large area. Okay, now difference between weather and climate. In the morning, the weather conditions may be cool with a slight breeze, but by afternoon, the weather changes and it becomes hot. As today weather, you can see that there is sometimes rainfall, sometimes cloudy, and it may be a sunshine as the day progress. Okay, so weather conditions changes from time to time from a very short period of time. So in the evening, there might be a thunderstorm with some rainfall. The next day, there may not be a thunderstorm. So thus we see that weather changes from time to time every day and is not fixed. But these changes are confined only to a local area. Local area means to a small area. On the other hand, the climate is the overall condition of the weather, the average of which is taken over a long period of time. So how we come to know about the climate of a area? So to know about the climate of an area, we get the averages of weather conditions prevailing over that area for a long period of time, say 30 or 40 years. Okay, then we come to know that during these months, the weather conditions of this area will be this. Okay, or the we say that climate is hot, climate is cool, winter is there, summers are there, spring is there. Okay, it does not change from day to day and covers a large area. For example, India has a tropical monsoon climate, which means it has a hot climate and is influenced by the monsoon winds. For example, if you take the weather conditions of India, every state have different weather conditions, but overall the climate of India is tropical monsoon type of climate. In such type of climate, you will see that it is a hot climate and it is influenced by the monsoon winds. What are monsoon winds? The winds that carry moisture. विंड्स जो कि साल में जिनका चलने का फिक्स टाइम होता है और वो अपने साथ मॉइस्चर कैरी करके चलती हैं, और उस मॉइस्चर की वजह से बारिश होती है, रेनफॉल होती है, उन विंड्स को हम बोलते हैं मानसून विंड्स। तो इंडिया का जो क्लाइमेट है वो मानसून विंड्स से बहुत ज़्यादा अफेक्ट होता है, इन्फ्लुएंस होता है। नाउ एलिमेंट्स ऑफ weather. So there are various elements which influence the weather conditions of an area. We will discuss them one by one. Rainfall, air pressure, snowfall, winds, storms, humidity, and temperature conditions are the various elements that constitute the weather. So इन सारी चीज़ों से मिलके weather बनता है. Weather conditions affect us and our way of life. So, an understanding of weather helps in our daily lives. Aeroplane pilots, navigators, farmers, and fishermen are just a few people among many who need information about the weather to do their jobs well. Okay, if a pilot has to fly his aeroplane, then he will first confirm the weather conditions throughout the route. Okay, over the route where he will be flying, so that there may not be any trouble in the flying or in the flight. Navigators mean the big ships that are moving in the oceans. Their pilots or their, you can see, the navigate, we call them navigators. They also need the weather news, okay, so that they must not caught in a storm or a cyclone, okay. Farmers also need to know about weather conditions, that because they are also dependent upon the weather to grow their crops. Fishermen is the same way. Fishermen, they are going to catch the fish, but they must know that whether there is any cyclone coming in the ocean. Okay, so in this way, everyone needs some sort of news regarding weather. So we will now learn more about the elements of the weather. First element is air pressure. So you know air has weight which presses down on the earth. The weight exerted by a column of air on the surface of the earth is known as air pressure. जो एयर है वे जो एटमॉस्फेयर है एयर है ये जो भी चीज़ें हैं इंसान है ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं उनके ऊपर या अर्थ के ऊपर एक प्रेशर डालती है एयर क्योंकि इसका एक वेट होता है इस वेट को हम बोलते हैं एयर प्रेशर. एयर प्रेशर डिक्रीजेज विद इंक्रीजिंग ऑल्टीट्यूड. जैसे जैसे आप एटमॉस्फेयर में ऊपर जाते हो या कोई जगह ऊंची है अगर वहां पर आप चढ़ते हो तो एयर का प्रेशर कम होता जाएगा एंड ऑक्सीजन का एयर का लेवल भी कम होगा और उसमें जो क्वांटिटी है ऑक्सीजन की वो भी कम होती चली जाएगी. इस यही कारण है कि जो माउंटेनियर्स हैं हाइकिंग करते हैं जो वो अपने साथ जब उन्होंने कोई बहुत सी स्टीप क्लाइंबिंग करनी होती है तो अपने साथ एक ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर भी लेके चलते हैं या फिर वो थोड़े थोड़े गैप के बाद रुकते हैं क्योंकि वहाँ पर सांस लेना मुश्किल होता है बिकॉज डेंसिटी ऑफ एयर इज लेस देयर एंड ऑल्सो देयर इज लेस अमाउंट ऑफ ऑक्सीजन टू ब्रीथ. It is higher at sea level and gets lower with the increase in altitude. At sea level, air pressure is nearly 1.05 kilograms per square centimeter. अगर आप एक 1 सेंटीमीटर का स्क्वायर लो, ठीक है, उसके ऊपर कितना प्रेशर चलता है हवा का या एयर का 1 kg. इतनी छोटी सी जगह में 1 kg एयर प्रेशर होता है. हमें फील क्यों नहीं होता क्योंकि इतना ज़्यादा एयर का प्रेशर है हम तो उसके नीचे क्रश हो जाएंगे. ऐसा इसलिए नहीं हो पाता क्योंकि हमारी बॉडी के अंदर भी एयर है तो वो उस प्रेशर को नेगेटिव कर देती है जो ऊपर से आ रहा है. अगर आपने यूट्यूब पर जाओ वहाँ पर सर्च करो एयर प्रेशर यहाँ फोर्स ऑफ एयर प्रेशर, तो आप देखना वहाँ पर कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट्स कर रहे होंगे लोग। वो किसी बड़े से एक कैन को, उसमें से विद द यूज़ ऑफ वैक्यूम पंप वो उसमें से पूरी एयर निकाल देंगे। जैसे ही वो पूरी एयर निकाल देते हैं, फिर थोड़ा उसमें टेम्परेचर डिक्रीज़ करेंगे। जैसे टेम्परेचर डिक्रीज़ करते हैं तो वो पूरा का पूरा जो क्रश हो जाता है कैन। और चाहे वो पूरा का पूरा ट्रक ही क्यों ना हो, जो ट्रक्स वो जो कैरी करते हैं लिक्विड, अगर उनको पूरा अगर आप एम्प्टी कर दो, ठीक है, तो उसमें से एयर पूरी निकल जाएगी। तो जो बाहर की एयर है वो उसके ऊपर इतना प्रेशर डाल दे कि वो भी क्रश हो जाएगा। यूट्यूब में आपको बहुत सारी ऐसी वीडियोस मिल जाएंगी। नाउ एयर प्रेशर इज मेजर्ड बाय एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट कॉल्ड बैरोमीटर। A simple mercury barometer comprises a tube with one end open and placed in mercury. As air has weight, it exerts pressure on the mercury making it rise in the tube. जिस तरह से हम टेम्परेचर को मेजर करते हैं, इसी तरह से विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ थर्मोमीटर, उसी तरह से एयर प्रेशर को मेजर करने के लिए भी हमारे पास बैरोमीटर होता है। Normal atmospheric pressure at sea level is 760 mm or 30 inches of mercury. When expressed in millibars, it is 1013 millibars. Okay, so these are the units to measure atmospheric pressure. If the mercury rises above this point, we say that the air pressure is high. But when it falls below this point, the pressure is said to be low. सो कितना प्रेशर होना चाहिए? 760 mm और 30 इंचज और 1013 मिलीबार। अगर इससे कम प्रेशर है देन वी से दैट द pressure is low, air pressure is low. If it is more, then we say air pressure is high. The aneroid barometer does not have mercury. Another type of barometer is that aneroid barometer. एक तो mercury barometer है जिसमें mercury यूज होती है, दूसरा आता है aneroid. It is made up of thin metal drum from which air has been removed. एक thin metal drum है जिसमें से air remove की है. Pressure of the outside air pushes the lid of the drum inward. The higher the air pressure, the more the lid is pressed in. In an aneroid barometer, the pressure on the lid is shown by a needle on a dial. In a self-recording barometer, a drum is connected to a pen which records changes in pressure on a moving band of paper. Okay, so these are the techniques to find out the air pressure. So the device which is used to measure the air pressure is known as barometer.